Now click on configure view and add fields for the collect insurance details step. Give first field as name of the insurer and type of that field is text only and give second ID is insurance ID. Second field is insurance ID and this field type is also text single only and click on submit and add another property and the another field is other number and give this property type as integer and click on submit. When you configure the step, then two rules get created. One is a flow action and another one is a section rule. When you configure the view only, then only created. Without configuring the view, the flow action and the section rules are not get created. For this process, flow rule is get created in the background and click on save and I add second step for the new stage only. Select a collect information step only and give name it as collect type of insurance and click on configure view to add the fields and the fields are body injury and give this field type as a boolean and click on submit add another more property and the no field name is vehicle damage and this property field type also boolean. Select boolean and click on submit and submit the and give second stage name as body injury for body injury stage add step collect information step collect hospital details and click on configure view to add the properties give fields are hospital name type as a text single only and give another more property injury type and this property type also text single only and click on submit and click on submit. Next add another more stage and give stage name as vehicle damage now and give step for the vehicle damage is select the collect information step only give name it as collect vehicle information and click on configure view to add the properties and add fields vehicle number And type select as integer. Click on submit and add another. Give license number and give type it as integer again. And click on submit, add another. Now give another more property is damage type. Field type is text single only. Click on submit, add another to add another more property. Now give field name as showroom name and this field type is text single only. Click on submit and give add another more stage now and give stage name as insurance process and now add one approve or reject step for this stage and give approve or reject. Now click on configure view and add all previous properties in read-only form. Name of the insurer, name of the insurer, insurance ID, give previous fields only here, Aadhaar card number, and the option should be read-only only. Now click on submit and save. And now create a case, but click on save and run. Now that case is got created with the ID of I-6001. Click on create and click on submit. No need to add details. If you click on body injury, then it will move to body injury stage. If you click on vehicle damage, it move to vehicle damage stage only. Now I'm going to click on body injury. I'm going to click on vehicle damage. It should need to go to vehicle damage stage, but it moved to body injury stage, and then it executes vehicle damage, and after that it executes insurance process. But our requirement is when you click on the body injury step needs to execute, and after that it needs to go to insurance process. If if user selects vehicle damage checkbox, then that work is routed to vehicle damage stage, and then it goes to insurance process. For that, we use skipping stage here concept. For that, we use skip stage concepts here. Click on body injury case stage and go to validation. Here we can able to see skip stage and select when rule. Here we can use a when rule and expression also. If you use when rule, you can use for other situations also. If you use expression, here only we can able to use that. When rule is usable and expression is not usable. Now select when rule and write a body injury. Click on this. Click on create and open to create one rule. Here select property. Select damage type. If it is true, it moves to the body injury space and give it as true and click on save to save the when rule. Now call this when rule here body injury and click on save. Now same process also do for vehicle damage also. Click on vehicle damage and click on when rule and create one rule when rule for this also. Click on gear icon, cross icon and click on create and open to create one rule. Here select vehicle damage. If vehicle damage is true, then then only it moves to the vehicle. Then only it executes vehicle damage step and give enroll here vehicle damage and go to one's previous injury. Here open body injury. Here damage type is not. Select body injury field and click on save. Click on insurance and create case to observe the output. Click on create. Without entering details, click on submit. No need to enter the details. Click on vehicle damage. It needs to go to vehicle damage test. Sorry for the wrong configuration. Here skip stage means when the stage needs to skip. So we need to give when rule. Here is false and the same update also vehicle damage. If vehicle damage is false, then this stage needs to skip. So that's the meaning. I I when I wrote expression as false and create no case. Click on create. Click on submit. Now select body injury. Here we need to execute body injury and then it needs to move to insurance process without execute of vehicle damage. If you select vehicle damage, it needs to execute vehicle damage. Here we select the body injury. So body injury step needs to execute the stage here. Body injury stage get executed and then it moves to insurance process without of vehicle damage and insurance process executes. So again create case for to observe vehicle damage also. Again create case once click on create, click on submit. Now select vehicle damage, click on submit. And now vehicle damage stage get executed and click on submit. Now it executes insurance process without execution of body injury. Here we can learn how to skip a stage. If body injury is false, then the stage is the skip. If vehicle damage is false, then this stage is the skipped. So that is this demo of skip stage in decisions. In next session, I will go to explain skipping process. Okay, thank you.